How to create Among Us account. Hi everyone, today I'll teach you on how to sign up for Among Us. It's quite simple. To begin, open the Among Us application. There are multiple ways to create an Among Us account. So if you're using an Apple phone or Android phone, the process may differ. However, if you're using it for the first time, it will prompt me to create my account displaying my Google ID. Upon clicking continue, it will create an account using my Google ID. The Google ID currently logged into your Play Store will be used to create your Among Us account. So if you prefer to use a different Google ID, ensure that you log out from your current one and log into the desired Google ID on your Play Store. Once this is done, the process is complete. But if you're playing Among Us on your PC, there are two ways to download it. One is through Steam and the other is through Epic Games. If you downloaded Among Us using Epic Games, you'll need to create an Epic Games account which will serve as your Among Us account. So if you downloaded Among Us using Steam, you'll need to create a Steam account which then will be your Among Us account. That's essentially how you can sign up for Among Us. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.